Hi there everybody, and welcome back to the channel. Well, we're going to finally get around to using the backhoe today. If you've been watching a previous video, you'll know that I mentioned that there's somebody in my neighborhood who has a stump that needs to be pulled out. So it's not too far to go, so we're just going to drive the tractor over there, and we're going to tackle this project. And it's going to be a challenge. It's going to be a challenge for me because I haven't ran my backhoe for a long time. It's going to be a challenge for this tractor because the stump is a 12-inch stump, and we'll see what the BX23S can do. Before we head over there, though, we do have to take the back panel off of the tractor, so you can watch how I do that. And that's all there is to it. So as you can see, we didn't have to go very far. About 5 feet across the yard. This is the stump we got to take out. It is a 12-inch maple stump, and it was root bound because there was a wall of landscaping bricks that went all around this at one time. My neighbor just took those out, and he created a nice fire ring out of them. But he wants this stump removed. He only wants the tree and stump removed because, as you can see, some of this root system was just really starting to get into running under the sidewalk and all over the place. So we're going to see what we can do. He did a pretty good job of prepping it for me and getting it started already. As you can see, the hacking at it with an axe and chainsaw, and we'll see if we'll see what the BX can do. I kind of have my doubts, but you know, if we just kind of nip at it piece by piece, we might make some progress. So stay tuned and find out what happens. Well, as you can see, I was having some trouble with what I think is the taproot. It's just huge. Let's take a closer look. It's just a massive root, and it continues on. I mean, this is part of it right here, so it's just a huge taproot. And to get through that, I think we're going to need to either hack away at it with an axe or a chainsaw. So we'll keep at it. We'll dig around and maybe we can loosen the back side of it to kind of free up the other side. Oh, we'll see. I wish I had the BH92 backhoe, but that's a couple hours away, so this thing's doing pretty good. I'm kind of impressed. It's a big stump for a little machine.
For it.
Already recording. Walk around and get a... Well, we made some pretty good progress for a couple hours of digging anyway. As you can see, we've got most of the big roots. There's just that one great big taproot that we still need to get through. The big root ball itself is starting to move a little bit as I dig, so I have a feeling once we get through those roots over there, this thing's gonna come loose a lot easier. So if you want to see if it's possible to get that stump out with the BX, stay tuned, because that's going to have to be another video. But until next time, everybody, hey, give me a like if you like this video. I would really appreciate it. It does help the channel grow. Until next time, keep on tractoring, and God bless.